start.
Hello everyone, by the way, my name is Teacher Joshua Soria, but you can call me Teacher Josh. Again, what is my name?
Teacher Josh!
May I request everyone, please stand for our prayer. May I request Miss Masangi to lead us the prayer. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Josh. Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon.
Before you take your seats, can you pick up some pieces of papers at the table? May I request Miss Tineva to please close the door, and the rest you now take your seats.
Thank you, teacher.
Before we formally start our discussion this morning, let me introduce to you first our classroom rules. First, we have respect each other. Of course, we need to respect each other. No? Dili mag-away o dili po mangaway. Ang ikaduha, be on time. Kinahanglan mo maabot ko dili sa classroom, wala pa ang oras na to. Tama ba? And the next one we have, listen when the teacher is talking. When I am talking in front, or any of your classmates are talking in front, you need to listen. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Next we have, don't be shy to ask a question. If you have any questions, clarifications, violent reactions, you may ask the teacher. You may ask me and raise your hand for your questions. Okay? Okay, next we have, don't cheat when taking exam. When taking our exam, of course, we don't take cheating. Understood?
Yes,
And the last one we have, be conducive in class. You need to be friendly sa inyong mga classmates and also to me para nindot ang atong relationship din sa classroom. Tama ba? Very good. Now, may I request the classroom secretary, Miss Ronami. Nabay nag-absent, Miss Ronami?
Naako, teacher, isa lang po. Si
Isa.
RGC.
Okay, Archie. Okay, Archie is absent for today. Then, ingat si Archie ha, next time hindi na siya mag-absent. Okay?
Teacher.
Now, before we proceed to our discussion, let us do first our review. Can you still remember what is our discussion last meeting? Wala? Now, I'm going to show you some pictures for you to remember the lesson we discussed last meeting. Okay? Again, if you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Okay? The first picture we have this one. Tanawag maayo ang picture.
Just writing, teacher.
Ang sabi na napansin niyo sa picture. Just raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, that's it.
Nag-write siya, teacher, tapos siya nag-tablet, coffee.
Oh, nag-write siya. Kanang babae is nag-write siya, nag-what siya nag-write? Nag-work naman siya. Diba? Yes. The next one we have here. What can you observe in the picture? Yes, masangit. Yes, very good. Exactly. Nag-brainstorm sila because these people there is the entrepreneurs. They are the businessman and businesswoman. Okay? And the last picture we have this one. What can you observe in the picture? Yes, you want to answer Miss Leneva? Miss Leneva, please stand. What can you observe in the picture? Tablet. Ay, tablet. Nag-unsa ka ng mga tao sa picture?
Nagtanong
discussion. I'm gonna show you. Okay, wait for a while. I'm gonna show you a picture, and what you are going to do is to guess what is the picture. I have here each question is two pictures. Okay? And then if you're going to combine that picture, there is a word na mabuo siya para mabuo siya one word. Okay? Okay, we have here the first picture. Okay. Analyze first. Again, if you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Yes, Alineva. Keyboard. Very good. Why keyboard? Because na-asya key plus board equals keyboard. Very good. Let's give a hand for Alineva. The next one we have you have any idea what is this picture all about? Yes, Mas Angrid. Yes, exactly. This is a mouse. Okay, when the house is, the first letter of the house is the letter H, and then we change it into if we change it into N, it means mouse. Yeah, very good. Let's give a hand for Masaki. Now, let's have the last one. Yeah. Do you have any idea? Yes. Taxonomy. Yes, very good. It's a monitor. Why? Because there's a money plus sector and a motor. Very good. And that means this picture is money. Very good. Still has more. That's amazing. Now, let's have another activity. Do you like another activity? Very good. Now, I want to have a volunteer, at least one volunteer to be here in front. Who wants to be a volunteer? You need a Jimboy. Okay. Okay, sit down here, Jimboy. This activity is called hot seat. Okay? The chair of the Jimboy is called hot seat. And then, listen to the instruction. Ang buhatan ninyo is Teacher Joshua will show a picture diri sa likod without looking ni Jimboy. Dili siya magkara sa picture. And then, you are going to help Jimboy guess what is the picture all about. Okay? Again, if you want to help Jimboy, don't say the exact name of the object. You just give a hint for Jimboy in order for him to this afternoon? Okay, wait for a while. Everybody please read. Very good. This is our topic this afternoon. And let us read our objectives for this topic. Everybody please read. Very good. We will discuss this morning the safe and responsible use of ICT. But let us know first what is ICT or information communication technology. Okay. Everybody please read. Yes, very good. Thank you, class. When we say ICT or information communication and technology, it includes the internet, wireless networks, computers, software, hardware, and other media applications. Just like what I've shown you earlier, those pictures, this a keyboard, a YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and a laptop is an example of ICT or information communication technology. But specifically, let us focus on the hardware materials or hardware object of ICT. Okay, we have two types of computer hardware. We have two types of computer hardware. First is the external hardware devices, includes monitor, keyboards, printer, and scanners, power supply, and the mouse. So those are the example of external hardware. When we say external hardware, this is the materials of ICT na makita nato sa labas mismo sa kanang object. No, like this example, na ay computer monitor. The next one, the keyboard, the printer, the power supply, the CPU, and the mouse. Now, I have here a concrete example of a computer uniform. So this is an example of computer monitor. Nakakita na ba yung monitor sa inyong class? Yeah, very good. And we have the next one. We have the keyboard. I have here a keyboard. So this is a keyboard, a part of external hardware devices of ICT. Okay. Nakita na ba yung keyboard? Okay, very good. The next one we have, next we have the mouse. Let us proceed to the CPU or the computer. Okay, we have here. This is a CPU, no? Ano yung tawag na CPU or computer system? No? Ano siya? Computer system. So, mo siya ang mga example sa external hardware devices. RAM, the motherboard, and the hard drives or hard drives. Okay, I have here. This is inside the computer system or the CPU. This is what we call the motherboard. No, mauna siya ang motherboard kanina asa no. Kita niyo? Mauna siya ang motherboard. Okay, since you don't have a question, I have here a question for you. Okay, I have here a question for you, everyone. Listen up. The first question is, listen to the direction, no? What we are going to do is to state if ang statement is tama ba siya? If the statement is right, then you say it is right, teacher. But when a statement is wrong, then you say it's wrong, teacher. Okay, understood?
Yes, teacher.
And again, if you want to answer, just raise your right hand. The first, excuse me. The first question: protect your personal information with strong password. Is it important na ato ang mga computer or laptop na ay or cellphone na ay mga password? Yes, that's a me.
Yes, teacher. It is right.
Oh, tama. Now, it is right because, for example, mabili ko ng cellphone, nasa yung password, hindi siya ma-open sa laking ng tao, okay? The next one we have, pay attention to software updates. Kailangan ba mag-update ka sa itong mga softwares? In the other hand, yes.
Yes,
Meron po? Yes, very good. Kinahanglan na maging updated ang mga applications. That's right. What I said earlier. And the next question is, don't use password for personal account. Don't use password in personal account. Yes, I want to answer Christine. Yes, Christine. The question is, don't use password for personal account. Dapat ba hindi na tugutan ang password ng mga accounts, mga Facebook, mga anak?
Ano, teacher?
Wrong, very good. It is wrong. Kinahanglan na yung password ng mga accounts. And the fourth one we have, make sure your devices are secure. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, very good. It is right. And the last question is, arrange the computer after using it. Is it right that we arrange the computer after using? If you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Yes, boy.
Right po, teacher.
Right. Why is it right, boy?
Para makapil pa yung signal sa tamang pagkamanan po.
Yes, very good. Let's give a clap for Jimboy. Para mabutan natin siya, mahigis natin siya. So we need to secure our computers, the laptops, or even our cell phones. Now, let's have a group activity. Are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Now, I'm gonna group you into 3 groups. Count from 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
1.
2, 3. 1, 2.
Yan. All the group 1, you sit here. The group 2 here and the group 3 here. Okay, now count of 5, go to your group. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay. The group 1, what we are going to do is to create a role play that shows respect in using ICT. Okay? Create a role play that shows respect in using ICT. Okay. Then the second group is discuss the importance of being safe and responsible use of ICT. Okay. No? Mga importance na nung kinahanglan maging safe at responsible na sa pagpapagamit sa mga ICT. And the group 3, what we're going to do is a proper cleaning of computer hardware. So you need to clean the computer hardware. I have provided you here the computer hardware. collaboration 30%, and overall performance is 40% and a total of 100%. Okay. Who wants to volunteer? Kaunang percent. Na ba? Okay, since you raise your hand first, okay. Decide your okay, your time starts now. Let's give a hand for group 2. Okay, the next presenter is the group 3. Okay, your time starts now. in a 1/4 sheet of paper, you explain the safe and responsible use of ICT. Okay? What do you think explain why is it we need to get safe and responsible use of the ICT, specifically the hardware